Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Matt. We're currently doing a walk around a flat 6 STI in the beautiful Legacy. Chapo's lucky enough to join us today, so let's dive right into it. The car is lowered on BC Racing coilovers. It's the BR model. I've been very happy with their performance as well as their comfortability. I get a lot of compliments from people who don't even ride cars about ride quality on this thing. It's got a 2018 STI rear sway bar, white line, lower control arms. It's got some eBay plastics. Hey, watch out, man. It's got some eBay plastics for aero. Icon Motorsports made that, as well as the side skirts. And then just some stupid crap in between the exhaust pipes. Thought it'd make it look a little more like an OEM STI or something like that. Other than that, it's got the factory deck lid that I love. Subaru OEM window visors that got a nice profile on them. I like how the chrome still pops. I'm never planning on blacking that out. The grille I've painted black a handful of times now. Probably every 6 months or so I got to redo it because these rock chips. It's got a KB Customs LED badge, which is pretty sweet. Grimspeed license plate relocation. Front license plate delete, sign there. Car is currently on Enki wheels, 18 by 9.5, running a 265 tire, 265/35. I also have Hawk rotors and pads in the front and rear. The car is a 2013 Limited with eyesight, so it's got the Gucci goggles up top, beige interior. I went and I did the STI floor mats in the whole car, as well as an STI flat bottom steering wheel here. It's got the Harman Kardon sound system. Super clean car. Emergency Pop-Tarts, because you never know, right? As for exhaust, we got Raptor headers, vibrant high flow cats, vibrant resonator to a 3-inch MagnaFlow catback. It rips, it screams, it's loud, and yes, it drones, but sounds pretty good. I'll be sure to put the cold start, some revs, as well as a couple drive-bys if the neighbors allow for it, if you know what I'm saying. I think Chapo wants some of that. The car is tuned by Extreme Racing Tuning. Shout out to Ed. And it makes pretty good power. Definitely keeps up with the STIs, so good car. Recommend getting to the 3.6 if you've never thought of it before. Puts down good power, reliable, features, styling. Say less, man. Man, that poor dog just got it, huh? Sheesh. So I'm out here just trying to do it past in the neighborhood, right? Neighbor comes out, shit, all right. She don't say nothing, she walks past. I'm like, well, this bad timing. But is it? Now she gone. Cool, guys. Thanks a lot for checking out the video. Hope you liked it. Let me know if y'all like content like this, and let me know if you have any questions regarding the Legacy. See y'all.